On today's video, I'm going to be talking about the lazy ways to make money online in 2025 with the help of artificial intelligence. Now, I call this lazy because, artificial intelligence is going to automate the whole process for you. That is actually very lazy. Now, the third method I'll be mentioning on today's video is my absolute favorite because I have been able to generate income from it. So make sure that you stick around with me from start to finish because trust me, you don't want to miss out. If you are new here, my name is Rookie Rich, and on this channel I teach tips on how to make money online, side hustle ideas, small businesses to start. So if this is the type of content that you come on the internet to look for, my channel is the right place for you. And guys, please make sure that you get this video to 30 likes. That is the way of supporting this channel. And yeah, let us get started. The first method is create websites with AI and earn money. I remember one time when I wanted to create a website for my YouTube channel, then I contacted this friend of mine that I want to create a website, and it was like I should go and be $150 as the first website. When you want to create a website, it is actually stage by stage, so I think it's like 3 stages and some maintenance, and it was like go and think $150 like $150 to Nigerian naira is almost 250,000, between that range. So if you are able to just make use of artificial intelligence to get the whole job done for you, and you start charging business owners that are popping up every day, all you have to do is to go to a website called Hostinger AI Website Builder, and I'm going to be showing you an example of how you can create a website if you want to create a website with Hostinger AI Website Builder. I also have this video that I explain in details on how to create a website with Hostinger AI Website Builder. I am going to be linking that in my video description. So as I was saying, you can just go to Hostinger AI Website Builder, create a website. Small businesses are actually popping up every day. In 2025, everybody is a business owner. I am a business owner. You are a business owner. So people need websites. Unlike the previous years, there's high demand in the website field and there's low supply. If you can reach out to content creators, business owners, tech startup, and just go to ChatGPT, write a prompt, show them what you can do, and let them know that you can create a website for them, and in return you can charge between $100 to $300 if you are in Nigeria. And if you are in foreign countries like the United States, the United Kingdom, then you can charge from $500 to $1,000. AI is going to automate the whole process for you. And don't be like, okay, if it's that simple to build a website with artificial intelligence, then why are the business owners not building the websites by themselves? Why do I have to do it for them? Let me tell you guys something. Business owners don't have that time. They want to outsource everything that they can outsource. All they have time to do is to think about their business. They don't have time to, okay, let me now start building more websites for myself. That is why they outsource it. So you that are on the internet today looking for ways to make money online, just grab at this opportunity. And when you pitch yourself really well, you don't even have to have any experience. You don't have to have 1 year experience, 2 year experience. All you have to have is how to pitch yourself very well. Okay, and when I mean by pitching yourself, you have to let them know that I can get this done for you, I can do this for you, I am the right person to do this for you, and you prove it. Okay, so let me please show you how you can get that done. When you assigned it to Hostinger AI Website Builder, this is what your dashboard is going to be looking like. So you want to select the purple button right here, then you want to select Hostinger AI Website Builder. So it will direct you to this page where you are asked to fill your information. So you can just input any random business name since you are practicing first. So the next thing you want to enter is the web type. We have blog, we have business showcase. The next step is the description. You can make use of ChatGPT to write you a very detailed description depending on the business owner that you are working with. So it is going to ask you for your style. You can just say surprise me, or you can input minimal, elegant, anyone that you want, depending on the website, depending on the business owner that you are working with. Now the color, you want to choose a logo. Some business owner, their brand logo is maybe yellow, so you want to make the color of the website yellow, so that people, when people come to their website, they'll be able to say, okay, this is the owner of this website. They'll be able to quickly identify the website. When you are done, click on create a website. Now it will take a few minutes or a few seconds to load, then it will direct you to a fully built AI website.
Hostinger AI Website Builder actually automates the whole process for you. Now you can make some adjustments if you like. You can just go through it. You can send a sample to the business owner, so you can add the business owner's contact information, any adjustments that they want to add, their link and whatnot. So after creating this website, you can send a sample to them. If they like what you do, then they will pay you the remaining of your money, because you have to collect half of the payments before you proceed with creating a website with Hostinger AI Website Builder. Then after paying your full payments, you can transfer ownership of the website to them, but don't transfer ownership without receiving your full payments. That's it on the first lazy way to make money online with AI. If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Now let us move to the second lazy way to make money online with artificial intelligence in 2025. The second method is selling AI generated images on Wirestock. Now Wirestock is an AI stock image marketplace where you can post your images, your AI generated images, for licensing on Wirestock, and you'll be able to sell for people like graphics designers, for video game developers, for advertisers, people that need the AI images to do one or two on their home platform. AI stock only take 15%, unlike other AI stock images marketplace that take 60% and you keep the rest 40%. Wirestock take only 50% of each AI image sale. You are going to keep 85%, which I feel like it's actually a good deal. To generate quality AI images to sell on Wirestock, you want to go to this platform called Midjourney. Midjourney is where you are going to create a very quality AI images, but you have to pay a little amount of money to access the platform. But if you don't want Midjourney, if you feel like you don't want to dedicate any money, then you want to make use of Leonardo AI, a free AI platform where you can generate up to 24 images per day. I personally make use of Leonardo AI, and it's actually a good option for you to consider. That's it on the second method to make money online with artificial intelligence in 2025. I am going to be dropping the link to all the AI tools that I mentioned on today's video. Don't forget to check them out after watching this video. The third method to make money online with AI, which is my absolute favorite, is a platform called Helium 10. Now Helium 10 is a new platform where you can help Amazon seller optimize their keywords, their product research, the marketplace, the trending topic, and everything that has to do with the development of their business as a whole. So what you are basically doing is you reach out to sellers on Amazon. Don't reach out to people that their product is actually ranking. Let's say for example you want to focus on kitchen utensils niche. Do not reach out to sellers that their products are ranking. You reach out to sellers that their products are not ranking, right? So you offer to help them optimize their product search. Everything is actually powered by AI on Helium 10. So these are reviews from different people that has used Helium 10 and is currently using Helium 10 to optimize their product research to boost their business. Now there are some people that are not even aware that Helium 10 actually exists. So you have to pitch yourself and show them why they need to work with you and start making use of Helium 10, and in return you will make your money, you will get paid for your service. Okay, so I hope that we all gain value on today's video. That is how you navigate Helium 10. AI is actually going to get the whole process automated for you. It is going to be easier for you. It is going to be easier for the business owner. Okay, so everything in life is all about risk. So I wish you good luck on the 3 ways to make money online with artificial intelligence that I mentioned on today's video. That brings us right into the end of today's video. I really enjoy making this video, and I hope that you guys enjoy watching this video as well. And if you make it to this part of the video, then you are a real OG, and type in yes in the comment section below, so I'll know that okay, you are a real OG and you make it to the end of today's video. So yeah, bye guys.